Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to be going over how to create a line chart in Tableau. So you can see I've connected to the orders sample superstore dataset provided with Tableau. Also I have a blank sheet here. So usually when you're creating a line chart, the common thing to do is a time series. So we're going to look for a date. We got order date here, so we're going to pull that into the columns. You could also drop it here. It would have the same effect. You can see it's going to aggregate by default to year. We can go ahead and click the plus sign. It'll go to quarter, month, even down to day. Another thing we can do is we pull these out. We can do a continuous, and we can do exact date. So it doesn't look like anything now, but once I start putting more data in, it'll look a little different. So let's go ahead and do by sales. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the rows, and you can see we got a line here. It's very choppy. Now if we did so order date again by year and then filtered down, you can see it's not as choppy because it's not going by day. And then also, let's say we want separate lines for the different segments or categories. We can go ahead and take the category and drop it into this color shelf. And you can see it puts a legend here, and so we've got furniture, office sales, and technology are the different colored lines that we have. You can see the different patterns by those lines. You can also put labels in. So if you wanted to label the sum of sales, go ahead and take that and drop that on the labels. And you can see it's labeled some of the points where it wouldn't overlap with other points. You can change that when you click label. There's some options here of how you want it to be labeled. You can also do tooltip. So the tooltip is when you hover over something, you'll see all this information. You can customize that by going into here and changing the values here. So if you don't want to see certain values, you can delete it, or you can insert other values that you might be interested in. If you want to include other values, though, you'll have to put it in what's called the detail shelf. So in case you wanted to see region or something, you'd have to put that in this detail shelf for it to be available under the tooltip. And that's pretty much all you need to know to create a line chart. Hope that everybody was able to follow that and they learned something. Thank you very much.